Hello viewers, in today's video, I'm going to guide you how to set up AT&T Wi-Fi Hub. So let's get started. First, you need your Wi-Fi Hub and its power cord with your smartphone and your service activation node. Keep in mind, do not attempt setup until 2 p.m. or later on this date. So let's get started. In step number 1, you have to download the Smart Home Manager app. Scan the QR code on the side of your Wi-Fi Hub box or the device itself with your phone's camera. You can download it directly from the Apple App Store or Google Play Store. You can download it from Apple Play Store if you are an iPhone user and download from Google Play Store if you are an Android user. Then sign in and start setup. Follow the prompts for a complete setup. Now place your hub. Where you have to place your hub, you have to place your hub in a room on the highest floor of your building, ideally near a window to keep it away from obstruction and sources of interference. The app or the hub's display lights will indicate signal strength. Green is great, yellow is good, red means you need to move it. Now connect the power. Plug the power cord into the back of the Wi-Fi hub and then into a working electric outlet. The front of the hub will light up and automatically run a single test. Now wait a few minutes for the lights to indicate a good signal, usually a solid green light or multiple LEDs depending on the model. Now, once the hub shows a strong signal, you can connect your wireless devices. Use the Wi-Fi network name and password found on a sticker on the side base, or you can use the QR code on the hub to automatically connect devices or press the WPS button on the back of the gateway. You have an optional feature in that is optimization. The Smart Home Manager application allows you to manage your home network, view connected devices, set up a guest network, or add Wi-Fi boosters to extend coverage if needed. And that's all about it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.